over 90% of businesses will fail. So in order to stay on track in today's fast-paced competitive business environment, I'll be showing you something to completely restructure the way that you work. Imagine your business as a Ferrari. Now, would you rather be stuck in traffic or zipping through open roads? That's the difference that business agility can make. But what exactly is business agility? Simply put, it's the ability of an organization to adapt quickly to market changes, respond rapidly to customer demands, and lead change productively and cost-effectively without compromising quality. Sounds nice, right? Top companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and many, many more all utilize business agility. So let's break this down. First, agility is all about adaptability. Think of it as the flexibility of a gymnast. The market shifts, there's new tech and changing customer preferences, so your business needs to be able to pivot without breaking a sweat. Next up, speed. Not just any speed, I'm talking Usain Bolt levels of speed. The faster you can implement changes, the better you can stay ahead of your competition. This means having streamlined processes and decision-making pathways. Now, let's talk about customer-centricity. It's like having a sixth sense for what your customers want and need, sometimes even before they know it themselves. By keeping the customer at the heart of your strategy, you can ensure your offerings stay relevant and valuable. But here's the thing. Fostering business agility is not that easy, and it takes a solid foundation of practices and mindset. That's where we at Hyperdrive come in. Hyperdrive is a business transformation company that specializes in helping organizations just like yours build the foundations of business agility. We offer training and workshops designed to embed Agile principles into the DNA of your company. So why should you even care about business agility? Well, let me ask you this. Do you want to be Blockbuster, clinging to an outdated model until it's too late? Or do you want to be Netflix, constantly evolving and staying ahead of the curve? That's what I thought. So now let's dive into how business agility applies to teams within your organization. Because at the end of the day, your business is only as agile as your teams. First, let's look at team collaboration. Team members should aim to have a broad set of skills so they can step in to help each other out. Next is continuous learning. Agile teams embrace a mindset of perpetual growth. They conduct regular retrospectives to reflect on what's working and what's not, and they aren't afraid to pivot based on feedback. Finally, there's communication. At Hyperdrive, we hold daily stand-up meetings to share updates, discuss obstacles, and plan our work. And to support this, we use tools like Kanban to provide structured yet flexible frameworks to guide our processes. This keeps everybody aligned and accountable. To sum it up, business agility is about being fast, adaptable, and customer-centric. But there's more to running your business than just agility. So watch this video to learn about the ultimate goal-setting framework.